This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. If the disc inside of the air filter indicator moves near or into the red zone, replace the air filter element. Loosen the captive screws. Pull the housing cover up, then lift the air filter element out of the housing. If the mass airflow sensor wiring harness is strained when the cover is lifted up, disconnect the MAF sensor electrical connector before separating the cover halves. Clean out any remaining debris from the housing. Place the new filter element in the air filter housing. Make sure it seats properly in the groove of the housing. Install the housing cover and tighten the retaining screws securely. Also connect the MAF sensor connector if it was disconnected. Reset the air filter indicator by pushing the button at the end.